Hello everyone. Let's do today Cambridge Secondary 1 Checkpoint Mathematics Paper 1. This paper is from April 2017. Paper 1, as you all know that calculators are not allowed in paper 1. So let's start. What extra material that you can use? It's geometrical instruments and the tracing paper. So let's start. Okay, so question number 1, we have work out the angles A, B and C in the diagram. So we have this diagram here. You can see angle A, B and C. So we need to find out the value of these angles. So let's see first this small triangle here. This small triangle we have in this triangle. In this we have two angles given and third one we can find out. So that means we can write down here 85 plus 32. So this is 5 plus 2 7, 117, right? So but sum of angles of triangle is always 180 degrees. So sum of two angles is 117 plus A is 180. So A will be 180 minus 117 degrees. So when you subtract here, getting here 63. So value of angle A is 63. Now if you look at this angle A and angle C, as these are parallel lines, they make F shape like this here. So for F shape, so A and C are the corresponding angles. A and C are corresponding, so they will be equal. So if A is 63, C is also 63. Now B, if you look at this one, so if we see this one, A plus B, so here A plus B is 180. So from here A plus B is 180. So A is 63. So we can find out B. B will be 180 minus 63. This is 117 degrees. So our answer will be 117 degrees. So this is how you can do this step by step. Question number 2. Mia, Lily, Mike, Jamila and Oliver each record the time they take to do their homework. Mia takes T minutes. The table given gives information about the time for the 4 other students take. So we have here description and then the expression. So the question is to complete this table. So Lily takes 20 minutes more than Mia. So Mia took T minutes. So then it is T plus 20. So we start from here actually. Mia takes T minutes. So now Mike takes twice as Mia. So twice 2 times T, or you can write down 2T. Right? So Jamila takes 10 minutes less than Mia. So if it is 10 minutes less, so that means she is taking T minus 10. Right? Then here this is, you can see half of this. So we can say Oliver takes half as long as Mia. Half as long as Mia, because this is half of Mia's time taken, right? So that's it for question number 2. Before we move to next question, I would like to request you guys to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends, and also please, if you like the video, press the like button and let me know if you need any particular paper, so I'll try to solve that as soon as possible. So let's move to next question. Question number 3. Ahmad has 10 tins in his cupboard. 5 contains soup, 3 contains peas and 2 contains beans. So you can see the tins are here. Ahmed takes a tin from the cupboard without looking. 4 events. There are 4 events. They are recorded here. So the question is, place the arrow on the probability scale. We are given this probability scale here to show how likely each of the event is. The first one is done for you. So this is A. So let's see what exactly we have here. So we can see here 5 contains soup. So soup is in 5 containers, right? Then we have peas. So peas we have 3 tins, and beans we have 2 tins, right? So total number of tins we have here 10. So we'll go one by one. First one, Ahmed picks a tin containing beans. So beans are in, this is beans, 2 out of 10. So that means 0.2. So if we look at the scale, we have this scale here 0 to 1. So this means this is 0.1, 0.2, 3, 0.4, 5 is there, 0.6, 7, 0.8 and 0.9, right? So A should go like on 0.2. This is already done. Second, Ahmed picks tin containing soup. Soup is 5 out of 10. So this is 0.5. So 0.5 it will go here. 0.5 we are gonna put here arrow for B, right? Then see, Ahmed picks a tin containing oranges. So we see in the tin, do you see any oranges? No. There are soup, peas and beans. So this is just 0. No probability of getting this oranges, right? So it will go here, which is C. Now lastly, we are done with this too. Ahmed picks a tin containing peas. Peas are 3 out of 10. So it is 0.3. So D will go at 0.3. So this is how we can do number 3. Now question number 4. These cards shows the heights of 6 plants. It's there. Arrange the height in order of the size, starting with the tallest. So tallest is first, then the smallest one. So now if we have these, you can see all the units are different. So we can convert them into 1 unit. So it's easy to convert into centimeters. So if this is 1 meter, 1 meter is 100 centimeter plus 6. So this will become 106 centimeters. And 1.6 times 100, it's gonna be 100. So it is 160 centimeters. So 100 and this will become 100 plus 20, 120 centimeters. And this is 1.15 times 100. It's gonna be 115 centimeter, right? So with this we can start the tallest one. The tallest one here it is, you can see 160. So this will go at first place, right? Second is done already. This one is second here. And the third one will be after this 120. So this is going to be third. And next is done. This is 4 already done. And number 5 we will have, we are left with these 2. So this is number 5, 106. The lastly we have number 6, 86. So we can write it down in order. The first one, where is first one? This one, 1.6. Remember your answer should be in the original form. So it is 1.6 meters, right? After that 132. Then we have 1 meter and 20 centimeters. This is done. And lastly we have 1 meter and 6 centimeter. This one here. The last one is 86 centimeters. Question number 5. The table and the frequency diagram shows some information about the number of customers visiting a shop on each of the last 50 Mondays. So we have number of customers here, then we have frequency here. So we have this diagram which is not complete. the first question is use this information to complete the table. So we are going to complete the table. So you see here we have here 30 to 34. So this is 0 to 4. So that means this should be 2 here. So in the middle of 2 and 3 this should be 3. So this 3 we can put in this 30 to 34 column. So now as you see all these columns are complete. So we can add them together. 11, 21, 10 and 3. 3 plus 2, 4. This is 5. 2 plus 4, 3. It is 45. So then we can subtract it from 50. So we have 5 here. So 5 will go in this column. So we are done with the table. The first part is done. Second, complete the frequency diagram. So we have to complete this now. You see 20 to 24 it is 10. So 20 to 24 is 10. 10 will be here. So this is 10 in this here. So you see there is space. We have to go accordingly. So up to this. Like this. So you can just shade this one. Oh, sorry, I have increased this up to 12. So it should be in the middle here. Up to, this is the line. 10. So it should be up to 10 here. Right. Next is 30 to 25 to 29. It is 5. So 5 is here. 4. This is 6. And in middle here, somewhere here. So this will be 5. So we can have 5 up to this. Like this. You just join it and we can shade this one. Right. So that's it for number 5. Let's move to next question. Part C of this question. The number of customers using the shop on the last 50 Tuesdays is shown in the frequency diagram. You can see this frequency diagram here. Yusuf says the model class is the same for last 50 Mondays and Tuesdays. So what is model class? Model class is with the maximum frequency, right? So with maximum frequency, you can see which bar is maximum here. So we have maximum frequency in 15 to 19. So let's see the previous part here on this Mondays. Again, which bar is the biggest one? We have this tallest bar, 15 to 19. So that means if we compare these two, they both have, like, this is 15 to 19, this is also 15 to 19. So that means Yusuf is correct. So we can tick the box yes, and we can write down the reason because he is correct because we can write down the model interval, the tallest bar, we can say the tallest bar is 15 to 19 in both on both Mondays and Tuesdays graph. On Mondays and Tuesdays. So question number 6. You can see we have given graph here. The graph shows 3 straight lines A, B and C. So you can see we have lines here. This is A, B and C. Part A, put a ring around the equation of line A. So let's see which is the equation of line A. Line A is here. So we will look for the x coordinates and y coordinates. So you see here at this point, this is the line. At this point, x coordinate is 5 and y is 0. So again at this point, x coordinate is 5 and y is 1. So x coordinate here it is 5 and 3. So if we go along, you can see all over we have x equals to 5 irrespective of the values of y. So the equation of line here it is x equals to 5, right? Part B. Write down the equation of line B. Now see line B. For line B, you see this coordinate. It is y is equal to 7. X is 0. Even if x is 1, y is again 7. So if x is 2, y is 7. So you can see the value of y is same all around here. So equation of this line is y is equal to 7. So that will be our answer, y equals to 7 for this part. Now part C, tick to show whether each of these facts about line C is true or false. So let's see one by one. The first one, the point 2, 4 lies on line C. Now let's see where is point 2 and 4. This is x coordinate and this is y. x2, y4. x2 and y4. So yeah, it is on the line. So this is a true statement. Now second, the y coordinate is always 2 more than the x coordinate. The y coordinate is 2 more than the x coordinate. So for this line, y coordinate is saying like this: if x is 1, y is 2. If x is 2, y is 4. But here you can see it's not 2 more, 1 and it is 2. So let me just write down to make this thing clear. So for the line x, C, if x is 1, y is 2, and if x is 2, y is 4. So this statement is saying like y coordinate is always 2 more. So this is y coordinate, it's 2 more here, but it's not 2 more here. So that means this statement is not always true. So it is false. The equation of line is y equals to 2x. So we can see here the equation of line. Equation of line is always y equals to mx plus c. C is y-intercept. If you see here, it intersects at 0. So c is 0. Right? Mx. M is slope. So m is the gradient. The gradient of line C. Gradient of line C is like we can say change in. We can take any point. I can take this one from here. So you see here we have rise 1, 2, 3, coordinates this way 4, and we have 2 here. So slope is 2. So equation of line is it is 2x plus c. C is 0, so it is 2x. So that means this statement is true, right? So let's move to next question. Question 7. The diagram shows a row of 7 triangles made from matches. The number of matches needed to make the row T triangle is given by 2T plus 1. Work out the number of matches needed for 36 triangles. So we can directly use the formula. Formula is 2T plus 1. So it is 2 times 36 plus 1. This is 72 plus 1. It will be 73. So 73 is the final answer, right? Now change 2/5 to decimal. So we need to divide it 2 by 5. So this is smaller than 5. So we are going to add decimal and 0 decimal here. So we have 20. 5 times 4 it is 20. So balance is 0 here, remainder. So answer will be 0.4. Now part B, write an integer in each box to make the statement true. So you see we have two fractions given here but with different denominator. So we can make the denominator same. I can multiply here by 5 and we can multiply here 5 by 2. So remember that whatever you are doing in denominator, same you have to do it in the numerator too, so that we will not disturb the number whatever is given. So this is 5/10 and this is 4/10. So we can take any number between 4 and 5. So I can take here like 3 over 10 here. So we can, no, sorry, 4 and 5. We cannot take 3 over 10 because it is between 3 and 4 and 5. So we can add here 1 0, here 1 0. It will become 40. Here it will become 50. So we can take any number between 40 and 50 over 100. So let me take, let's say we can take it as 49 over 100, right? You can take any number like 41 over 42 or whatever you want to take, but it should be between 40 and 50 over 100. Okay, so number 9, calculate 23.456 This is very easy. So 23.456 minus 1.78. Remember, you put numbers the way decimal should come under the decimal, right? So we can fill up this with 0. 6 minus 0, it is 6. Then it is 3 here, it will become 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. So we need here 13. So this is 2. 13 minus 7 is 6. 2 minus 1. So it is 21.676. Question number 10. Use the information in the box to write down the value of each of the following. So we are given this information here, we are using this. So that means we are not doing the actual calculation, we will use this one, right? So 276 times 41. You see the numbers are same. 276 times 41. Just ignore decimal for a while. So 276 times 41, it is this one. So we are using, so our answer will remain this same. Okay, so numerical value remains same. So now count the number of decimal places, 1, 2 and 3. So we will count from right hand side, 1, 2 and 3. So it will be 11.316. Now B part, 113.6 divided by 41. So that means, you see, this will go here. So that means answer should be 27.6. But we have 2 decimal places here. So our answer will be 2.76. Right? Part C. You see 13.8 times 8.2. Now if I write it down, like, let's say if we split this one is 4.1 times 2, right? So this 2 can be multiplied here. If you see, it will become 27.6 times 4.1. So you see it remains the same. So the question is same. So answer will remain as it is, 113.16. Right? Now number 11, find 12% of 34. 12% of 34, it is 12 over 100 times 34. So let's do the calculations. 34 times 12, can write down here, 34 times 12, 4 times 2 8, 3 times 2 6, 4 3, it's 804. So it is 408 divided by 100. So 2 decimal places, it will be 4.08. So answer is $4.08. Right? Now question number 12. Angelic and Safia each go for a run. The travel graph shows their runs. So here we have a travel graph, distance from home, time in minutes, and distance is in kilometers. So part A, Angelic and Safia both stopped during their runs. Work out how much longer Angelic stopped than Safia. So we are looking for their rest hours. So we'll go one by one. So Angelic stopped, this bold graph, this is Angelic, he stopped from 30 up to 80. So this interval is 50 minutes. So right, it is 50 minutes. He stopped for 50 minutes. And Safia, she stopped at 40 up to 60. So the difference is 20. So it is 20 minutes for Safia. Right? So we are looking how longer. So the difference between 30, so it is 50 minus 20, it is 30 minutes. So our final answer will be 30 minutes. Right? Now, part B. Complete the sentence. Dash runs farthest distance. She runs dash kilometer in total. So who runs farthest? You can see here we have the distance here. So Angelique he went up to 5 and Safia she went up to 6 kilometers. So who runs farthest? So it will be Safia, right? And she runs dash kilometers. So she went 6 kilometers this way and 6 kilometer the return. So total journey is 12 kilometers in total. Right? Part C. Safia runs faster than Angelique. Explain how the graph shows this. So you can see this is the distance covered and this is the distance covered according to the time. So this graph is more steeper. So we can see Safia's graph is steeper. Safia's graph is steeper. That shows she runs faster. Right? I hope you understood. So guys, please, if you like the video, please press the like button and share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Remaining question we will do in the next video. So thanks for watching. Please keep supporting by subscribing the channel and sharing with your friends. Thank you guys. God bless you.